Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to find your Amazon delivery pin. First, open the Amazon app on your phone or visit the Amazon website on your computer. Sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Next, go to your orders and find the order you want to check. Once you find the correct order, select Track Package. This will open the tracking page with the latest delivery updates. In most cases, the 6-digit delivery pin is displayed inside the Track Package section. If the delivery pin is not shown in the Track Package section, there is another simple way to find it. Open your Gmail account or the email service linked to your Amazon account. Look for the email that Amazon sent about that specific order. You can search for the order number or Amazon if you have many emails. Open the order email and read through the delivery details. Amazon usually includes the 6-digit delivery pin in that email. Once you find it, keep the email open or note the pin so you can quickly provide it during delivery. Thanks for watching.